Oh my God. So I guess we're standing today because there's Legos all over my floor, and this way I don't have to clean and can build my house later. So hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I considered creating like a proper intro, getting into the video, but I know why you're here. Is it because you like me? No. Because you know who I am? No. Because you want to use me for my pros. So yeah, we're just gonna get directly into it. I'm doing a pros giveaway. So how this works, I'm gonna do one here on the YouTubes. I'm gonna do a second one over here on the Instagram at Lauren. 4 R's. Makes your life easier. So yes, I am doing 2 different giveaways because I know not everybody has an Instagram, but now this way you get to kind of like double your chances if you do, because it's the one platform I actually post on. So yes, if you are on Instagram, the only thing that you have to do is follow me on Instagram and just leave a comment tagging a friend. You can literally tag as many friends as you want. I don't care. My notifications are turned off. And every person that you tag obviously does increase your chances of winning, because I'm just gonna use one of those random comment generators and then DM you. On YouTube, the platform you're actually on, all you need to do is be subscribed to this channel and make sure you leave a comment below. What I would appreciate if you're leaving in a YouTube comment is tell me the best way to like tell you that you won if you won, meaning like literally you could just put like Twitter, whatever your Twitter account is, and then I can DM you on that, or Instagram, here's whatever your Instagram handle is, and you will win Prose's full starter set, which gets you a pre-shampoo mask along with one of their shampoo and conditioner. Men, this still works for you. People that are white, also works for you. I looked this up before I thought to do a giveaway, because otherwise that would be very rude. And not only did I look this up for you, I had one of my friends use it, and she also gave it a stamp of approval.
My hair has never been so defined from just having conditioner in it. So I will now go and purchase all my other crap from Prose. Thank you, Prose.
Yes, remember that you can for sure try for both here and on Instagram, but all you need to do is be following either one of the accounts and leave me a comment letting know how to get a hold of you. On YouTube and on Instagram, just tag a friend so that they can enter too. And the giveaway will be open for the next 10 days. That's what I'm deciding. So it's gonna end here. There it is. And yeah, I think that's all the information. If you have questions, feel free to let me know, but chances are I might not get back to you. But yes, now for the 6 of you that are still with me, we can get into my favorites. So first favorite is this brush, which is from Prose. Also keep in mind, if you do apply for the giveaway and you don't want shampoo and conditioner, you can't just use the money for whatever. I don't see why not. Excuse me while I... Oh, this is their agave bristle brush. So this is like the vegan substitute of a boar bristle brush. People, I really have my doubts. Because in the past I've been like, I don't like boar bristle brushes. They just like get stuck in my hair and I gotta cut it out and it's just a whole ordeal I don't want to deal with. But what makes it my favorite, get out of here. I'm just saying, I don't know if you can tell a huge, but like, yeah, you can. The smoothness. Oh, I should brush my hair all the time. Wow. People, this brush makes my hair so smooth, so sleek. Oh God, that's attached. So shiny, and has not yet once gotten stuck in my hair. Look at how shiny and happy that is. Do you know how many times this has been bleached? A lot. So this is definitely one of my favorites. I did not anticipate it being a favorite, but here we are. And I did find what was really interesting is, like I said, I did send this as like a birthday gift to a couple of my friends, both of whom do not have the same hair texture as me. And what she was telling me, she was like, oh, actually they were recommending me a metal brush. I didn't even know that was a thing. Like I didn't get recommended that at all. And I know that that's like, well, duh. But I'm just saying, I do think that it's cool that I, with this as a hair texture, did not receive the same product recommendations as she did. Like I didn't even know that a metal brush was an option, and I was like, oh, y'all do care. So anyway, I just thought that was cool. Next thing is the Garnier micellar water. I use, if you have watched my videos for like any time, you will know that I use micellar water to remove my eye makeup. And for a long time, I mean literally years, a long time, I was using the simple micellar water. I went on a trip, I don't know how long ago, and I got a little tiny mini version of this Garnier one because it was the only one that I could find. I go on my trip and I use it, and it was so much better. Like literally, this one I put on a cotton round, just place it on my eye, let that hang out for a second, gone. The other one, I felt like I was kind of tugging in my eye. I was having to get in places. I thought it was just like the primer that I was using. No. So I love this stuff. I'm never going back. Sorry, Simple. I really tried. But this is so much better. So please don't like pop my bubble if you're like, actually, this is why it's bad for you. And lastly, for beauty favorites is this lipstick. This lipstick is also so old. So this is number 240. This is in Barely Brown, but we're just gonna go ahead and put this on top. I swear to God, if there's lipstick on my teeth for the rest of this video though, you can't say anything. Personally in fall, this is my favorite lipstick, but I have still now been wearing this a lot. I just think this is the color that looks good on pretty much any skin tone. It's very flattering and it's really affordable and honestly lasts an impressively long time. I love these stupid little Maybelline lipsticks, but I'm just saying, I think it's a really pretty color. I wear this in a lot of videos and I get a lot of questions about this. So this is the lipstick, it's fantastic. The one I had on before was Lolita. Answered all the questions. Goodbye. For a, I guess you could call this like a fashion favorite. This is the lamest thing. Okay, before all this stuff started going down, I bought this fanny pack from Lululemon. Now, I know you're like, Lululemon? But here's the thing, I looked for a fanny pack for a long time, and I need one specifically to work out in. I wear this while I've been running. I also used to wear this to the gym, and I can't tell you how nice it is to just be hands-free. Like even like when I run, I have in here these crappy little headphones that I put my phone in this pocket, and then I wear my headphones and I just jog in this, and it works. What I like the most about this is the way that the pocket goes is it doesn't like fold over. I have literally like, I'll be walking and just like have it open and it doesn't fall forward and all of your crap falls out. And I don't know, everything stays up straight and I really appreciate that. Also, this is very easy to clean and overall, I just really like this stupid fanny pack. So there's my fashion favorite. Next favorites for scents. So this is from West Elm. And I know you're like, a Lululemon and then a West Elm? What are you doing? Aren't you unemployed? Yes. Hear me out. I A, bought this candle before when I had a job. B, while this huge candle was, I'm very afraid I'm gonna drop it right now, was once $54. That's like groceries for a week. $54. Would you like to know how much I spent on it? $10. This was, oh my, okay, first of all, this smells so good. Like that's truly why this is in here, not even because of the price. It does just smell amazing. Ugh, this is in the scent Blush. If you look for it, I think it's Floral Blush, WD, maybe Wind. I don't know, but it's something blush and it looks like this. If you can find this online, I really recommend getting it because my logic behind this was, first of all, I was spending $10 on this for an amazing candle. Even Ira loves the smell of this candle. He was like, we should go back and buy more. And I was like, that is not an essential. Also, we should go back and buy more. I love buying candles that like once the candle is gone, you could use this for other stuff. And I feel like this would make for a very cute vase. Okay, next up is my food favorite. Ugh, look, this is the time for ramen. I don't care what you say, this is the time. So this specific, I need you to take this in Michigan. We had, in my tiny town, we had 2 different Asian grocery stores and I could find this one in both of them. I also have very easily found this in, I think I've been to a Vietnamese grocery store here and a Korean grocery store. And in both of them, this is easy to find. So I'm just saying, no matter where you live, if you can find an Asian grocery store, chances are, I feel like you have a good shot at finding this one. This one is completely vegan. It is registered to the Vegan Society and it comes in gourmet mild. While it's vegan, it is so awful for you. Like this is not healthy. This is probably gonna kill me one of these days. I wouldn't call it spicy, but it's just like approaching the borders of spicy, if you will. But it's just full of flavor. Also, if you're out of stuff like rice or like noodles or something like that, like just go to your Asian grocery store, man. Chances are they've got the goods. Let me tell you right now, if I hear any xenophobia out of any of you, I will start kicking some asses, okay? You. Anyway, that's my PSA for the day. I'm gonna be honest with all of you because you're still here even though we're probably like 15 minutes into this and like what is happening with my hair? I already shot this video and was a lot more organized then than I am today, but the entire first 10 minutes of the video were out of focus so I couldn't use it. Anyway, happy quarantine. For television favorites, people, I'm gonna say this out loud right now. I started watching Dave, which if you do not know what this is, it's on Hulu. Well, it's actually on like I think FX, but you can get it on Hulu if you do not have the cable, and is featuring Lil Dicky. But okay, I started this show by myself because I was like, Ira's not gonna watch this with me. He's gonna be like, Lil, like Ira's so annoying. Like if I tell Ira like, this is a show, I really think that you would actually enjoy it. He's just like, he doesn't listen to anything that I actually say. He doesn't take into consideration that like maybe I actually know you and like what you're into and have seen things that you haven't. No, he doesn't take into consideration that like maybe I went to film school, oh my God. No, he just watches a trailer and then decides if he's into it or not, and if he's not into it, then he just won't watch it. Even if I sit him down and I'm like, can you just watch this? Like, I think you're gonna like it. He just sits on his phone the entire time. How do you think you're gonna get into Succession if you're on your phone the whole time? Anyway, Succession's good if you haven't seen that, but what I've been loving this last month has been Dave, which again, because I know Ira, I didn't even try to convince him to watch this. I was just like, as soon as I say Little Dicky, he's gonna be out. He's not gonna watch it. He's not gonna have any interest. So I started watching it in the bedroom by myself, and this man literally like peeps his head over the side and was like, what are you watching? And I was like, oh, and I had to rewatch the whole episode so that he could join. But I'm just saying, if I can convert Ira, I can convert anybody. This show is so much better than I ever anticipated it being. I love this show so far with all of my heart and soul. This show is funny, but also it's very heartfelt. Literally the Gata episode, and if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I was like, you gave this man, who is not white, but whom has also appeared to be, so far at least, a side character, a proper backstory, and then have like a cute little man moment. I was just crying. I didn't anticipate Lil Dicky like giving all these characters like solo episodes basically, and I was like, good job. Like you improved in my, I'm here for it. If you want some crappy show to watch, I also like plowed through Unreal, which is basically a like behind the scenes of a reality show. Like it's a drama about like living on set of like basically The Bachelor. This is a show that I put into the category of like good crap TV. Like this is something that I watch when I'm cooking or cleaning. It's like something that you can watch and then like leave the room and come back and it's okay that you missed something. This is like the height of those. Is it good television? Not necessarily, but it does have, what is her name? Crap. I think it's Sherry Appleby. I'm so sorry, but it has this girl who's from Roswell, and that's what I knew her from anyway, and I loved Roswell, which also I think they're like making a remake or something, which I have no idea about. She's directing it. Anyway, I think she's super cool. So I think also I was more inclined to this show and I liked it more because I just like her and I have some nostalgia attached to that. But anyway, if you're looking for something to put on the background, I've been watching that. Obviously The Outsider was fantastic. Pretty much anything with Jason Bateman. Oh, speaking of, okay, The Outsider was fantastic, but Ozark, also fantastic. And Ozark is so good. And also it's on Netflix. When you look at Netflix originals, it's like this. You know what I mean? And then you have Ozark. Anyway, I think we're at the end for music favorite. Where's my phone? Can't step on the Legos. Okay, music favorites this month are Little Slim, only because I've been listening to a lot of like Destiny's Child, Salt and Peppa, stuff that like makes me feel good. I'm in a fragile place, okay? So we've been listening to a lot of good, happy throwbacks, but I do have some favorites that have definitely snuck in. My back just breaks. This song, I posted on Instagram that, because I've really enjoyed it for a while, and so has everybody else on the internet. I'm so old, because the only words I know in this song are literally the title. Then one of my friends was like, oh, and you know that music video was made in the TikTok lab or whatever it's called, right? And I was like, if the OC was still on, this song would be in it. And yeah, that's that. I think that's everything this has gone on for. Far too long, but wow, have I gotten some steps in or what? Yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed. Make sure you do, get the hair products and all that. And yeah, follow the old Instagram and do the same thing there. I'm tired. Also, go tell your parents that you love them. And have a nice day. Bye, thank you for watching.